All right, everybody, good morning. It is time to get ready for our DECA district competition. It's going to be in King of Prussia on Tuesday, December 7th. But that competition is two parts. So the two parts to that district competition are a test and also a role play. So you're actually going to be doing the test at school next week on Wednesday, November 17th during the school day. At this point, you've been shown a schedule of exactly when your test is, what time of day that's going to be. You'll have 1 hour to take your test. It is going to be online. So when you finish your test that day, that score is going to be scored for you. And then when you go to your district competition on December 7th with us as a whole field trip day, you're actually going to do your role play. And then they've saved your test score and they put it together with your role play score. And that's how they determine your final score. And also if you placed high enough to attend the state competition, which is going to be in Hershey. So again, our district competition is going to be Tuesday, December 7th. So here's what you need to know about the testing. For our exam schedule on Wednesday, November 17th, we're dividing this into 4 different sections. If you're taking a hospitality or a finance exam, you're going to be coming to room 107. That's near the guidance and the attendance office. It's kind of like a small auditorium room. So hospitality exam and finance exam are going to be testing together periods 1 and 2. Periods 3 and 4 we have reserved for all students taking the marketing exam. This is going to be the biggest group of the day. So all students taking the marketing exam. Period 5 and 6 will be students that will be taking the business management and also the entrepreneurship exam. And periods 7 and 8 will be our principal student taking the business administration core exam, as well as our personal financial literacy students taking that personal financial literacy exam as well. You can click on this link right here, and it's going to take you over so you can see exactly when your exam is going to be scheduled. This is on the DECA Schoology page. It's been shared on social media, and it also has been emailed out to you and your parents' email addresses so you can take a look at it. And there's a paper copy in my room and also Mr. Connor's room, so you can stop in anytime if you'd like, so you can check it out. Here are a couple other details that are going to be going on with the test. So every single exam is going to take place on Wednesday, November 17th. The makeup day is going to be the following day on Thursday, November 18th. That happens to be a 2-hour delay. If you miss the exam on the 17th due to illness, you need to come in Thursday morning and make that up during that 2-hour delay time. This is going to take place in room 107. Every test is going to be in room 107. You do need your laptop to be charged, and also please bring a regular calculator. There is a calculator that you'll be allowed to use inside of the program, but a lockdown browser will be on, and phones and smartwatches are not allowed, as you can imagine, because they are programmable. No notes can be used, and then I guess I just said it, that a lockdown browser is going to be turned on during this time. So the last thing we want to share with you, just to make sure you feel like you have a quick idea of what's going on, is that after your test on the 17th, we won't find out your test score until after districts. Then the next thing we want to get ready for is going to be that district competition on Tuesday, December 7th. So on Tuesday, December 7th, you will be receiving a lot more information, but this is a general overview for you so you can have a clue of how that might look. So what's going to happen on Tuesday, December 7th, you're going to come to school at regular time. So at 7:30, we're going to meet in the auditorium lobby, and we'll actually have a continental breakfast for you in the auditorium lobby. We'll then go into the auditorium so that the officers and some of the older students can address you and make sure you know exactly what's going on. We're going to leave East High School by 8:15 a.m. We'll have 4 buses that will be traveling to the convention center in King of Prussia. There are 155 of you that will be competing that day. We should arrive at the convention center by 9 a.m. for our role plays. You'll be competing in your one role play for the day from approximately 9:15 until noon. After you finish your role play, you're allowed to take one of the shuttle buses over to the King of Prussia Mall to get lunch, and you have to be back at the convention center by 1:45. The awards ceremony will begin at 2. When the awards are passed out, that's when you'll know if you've placed high enough to go to the state competition in Hershey in mid-February, and we should be back at East around 3:30 in the afternoon. That is a quick rundown of what your day is going to look like. We'll share more information later. Good luck!